What up everyone, Sean here with Mopar Vibes, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 3 essential modifications for your Dodge Challenger or Mopar. One of the first modifications you should make owning a Mopar or Dodge Challenger, I would have to say, would be your cold air intake. You can do a Hellcat air inbox with the intake. I personally have the Mopar brand. That's number one. Number two would be your wheels. Upgrade your wheels to either a wider wheel to 305s or 315s to get more traction. I would definitely say it's a must-do mod. The best mod though, that gives you the most horsepower and the most street cred, check it out.